which
We are going to have these networks on router 1, these networks on loopback, and router 10, these networks on loopback. And we are going to do ABR and ASBR summarization. You see, we have router 3 as ASBR, because we do redistribution between EIGRP and OSPF in this router. So if you want to summarize this network, which is coming from EIGRP, it should be done in here. It should be done in here. And then if you want to summarize these networks coming from area 20, you need to do ABR summarization because it's between the areas. It is ABR summarization, ABR. And you should not do anywhere other than ABR to do this network
right,
summarization. You cannot do it on router 9. It should be done only on ABR.
right,
Likewise, if you want to summarize this, you should summarize only on R3, not on R5 or R4. That's not the right way. OSPF has got some strict discipline to follow. So I'm going to use a notepad, quickly configure the loopback interface in a notepad, and then I will go from there. Come on, what happened to my notepad? Oh, here we go. But what? Why my computer is responding too slow? N O T E. What is this? Sorry. I did not off my computer for many days, so it's struck. So enable config T interface loopback 1 IP address 10.1.1.1, sorry, 100. 100.0 1.1 255.255.255.0 loopback 2 IP address 100.0.1.1.1. The reason why I'm putting /24 is I want to show you in OSPF, whatever the mask you may have, OSPF will take it as 32 mask. Okay, I'll put 3 here, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, 5, and then I'll copy. Okay, just 3 more. 7, 6, 8, 7, 9, 8. All right, and then and write in memory. This is what I'm going to put on router 1. Done. And now router 10, I'll just remove the zeros. That's it. I'll copy this and I'll put it on router 10. All right, so we got newly added networks, and now I'm going to go to router 10. I run OSPF on those loopbacks by going here, router OSPF 1, router OSPF 1. network 10, area 20. If you notice here, the wildcard mask that I'm using is only /8. I'm masking only 8. And the IP address on the interface is /24. Yeah, but when you learn these networks on router 9, see how it looks. On router 9, when you learn, it will have /32. Because OSPF, whenever it learns network from a loopback interface type, what is the interface type of OSPF there? Loopback. Let me show you that first. Show IP OSPF interface loopback 1. You see, network type is loopback. Whenever it is loopback, it will consider the mask as 32, even though the real mask is 24. It will take it as 32, and if you go here in router 9, you will see show IP route OSPF. You will see all 32. Where it is? You see all 32. All right, that is one thing that we should know about OSPF. Next, let me go to router 1 and show you the routes. Show IP EIGRP interface brief. There is no loopbacks which we added now running EIGRP. So let's run router EIGRP 10 is the autonomous system number that we have already. And now I'm going to say networks that I would like to run 100. Okay. Now, where do we test? Let us test it on router 6. Now on router 6, if you see, you will be learning route from area 20 as well as from ASBR. Show IP route OSPF. You see, this E2 is what we need to focus. In E2, these are all coming from ASBR, EIGRP given routes. And then IA, if you see, inter area, these are coming from area 20.
Right.
We want to reduce the size of the routing table in other areas by summarizing. I don't want area 0 seeing this big route. I'll show you one more thing. Show IP route summary. This is a nice command in which you can know how much space this EIGRP is consuming and OSPF routes are consuming. You can see here the external type 2, which is EIGRP network, is 13. And inter area means routes coming from other area is 18. I want to reduce these things so that the total memory consumed will also be reduced. I want to reduce this. I'm seeing OSPF alone is consuming 6,392 bytes of memory. I want to reduce this. Okay, just take it as a real world scenario. This will be very helpful. You will have hundreds and thousands of routes. Summarization is going to reduce the memory. Okay, so first let us start with ABR summarization. I'll go to router 8. Router OSPF 1. Area 20. Range. Okay. Why I'm saying area 20? Because these networks that you are trying to summarize are from area 20.
Right.
The summarized route will go into area 0, but don't focus on area 0. You need to say the routes coming from area 20. I want to summarize like this: 10.0.0.0 255 dot. Now I want to only summarize, let's say 7. Okay, 0 to 7. I do not want to summarize this 8. What is the way? 255 minus 7 is what? 248. Say 248 dot 0 dot 0. Did you understand this? But I want to
Yes.
summarize
Yes.
starting from 0 next to 7. So I have to say 255 minus 7, which means
Right.
you are allowing summarization for 7 on 0 to 7. Boom.
Right.
After saying this, I must verify going to R6. So I'll go to R6. Now earlier when we checked 11,000 is the size, but now it should have been reduced. You see, now it is
Oh,
reduced to
yes.
9,000.
Yes.
Now if you check the routing table, show IP route OSPF, you will see the summarized one. IA. Look at this. You got only this one left without summarizing. All the
Right.
rest are summarized here. /13, okay? This is
Yes.
what the summary that we did. You see, it is coming from same cost, 41, same place. This is summarized one. This is detailed one. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us do ASBR summarization. ASBR summarization. So that these routes up to 7 I can summarize. Let us go to R3. Router EIGRP10. Summary. The command is summary. No, not metric. Sorry. Where am I? Router OSPF1 summary address. See, I'm not using area command because the routes are not coming from any area. It is coming from EIGRP.
Right.
So the command is summary address. How do you want to summarize 100.0.0.0 starting from here? 255, same story. I want to
Right.
summarize up to 7. So 255 minus 7 is 248. Dot 0.0. Boom. That's it. That easy it is. That easy it is. After I say this, I would like to go again to R6. Initially it was 11,000, then it came to 9,000. Now you see it has come to 8,000.
Going to.
Now the the external has become 6. But earlier if you see on top, external was 13. Now it has gone to 6.
6.
Let's check the routing table now. Show IP route OSPF. You see, you got only these 8.1 in detail. This 8.1 in detail. All the rest are
Right.
summarized. See, I'm able to ping 100.7.1.1. I'm able to ping because I got the summary route.
Right.
Right. So we stop here.